Hey guys, Awesome here, and today we are carrying on with South Park: The Stick of Truth. When we last left off, the elves were trying to steal the Stick of Truth. Now we're going out and we're going to sort them out.
Man the gate! Don't let them through! Give us the stick, humans! Fuck you, Drow Elf! Come and get it! Clyde, guard the Stick of Truth while we defend the fortress! Aye, aye! Aye, aye! We're not playing pirates, Clyde!
Yeah, gosh, Clyde, what the hell?
To prove yourself. Hold off the asshole elves at all costs!
You got it. Let's get this guy. Leave Scott Markison with diabetes alone. Evil.
Do it, douchebag! Kick these elves' asses!
You got it.
You're wounded, douchebag! Potions will heal you. Here!
Are they cheesy poofs? Mom, I want cheesy poofs.
The rules say you can have one potion every turn. I asked for 5, but this was compromised.
5 would have been better.
This guy's fast, douchebag. Try to block all his attacks.
Okay, let's try it.
On this!
Oh, I always missed the second one.
At least you've got a future as a training dummy. Come on, get it right.
See, I do the second one too early.
Nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try again. Kiss my ass!
No. There we go.
Block all the attacks, you get a counterattack. Look at your enemy on the ground. Weak and helpless. Kick the shit out of him.
You got it. Get over there.
Awesome, you kicked his helpless ass. Now finish off these elves in the name of the Wizard King.
Okay. Hey, why do you get to attack again? I'm going after the elven bowman. There we go.
Take that!
Nope. There we go. And then just a normal super attack
Great job,
to finish him. Let's go after this guy. Oh,
That wasn't very nice.
I'll take that.
Butters, you're losing! Stop losing!
Hey, stop hitting the cat! That's evil. You don't hit a cat.
You got this, douchebag!
What?
What are you waiting for, douchebag? That guy's just standing there. Go kick his ass.
Really? No, this isn't gonna work, is it? Didn't think so.
Oh man, he was totally waiting for you, dude. You can't just hit him like that.
I can't remember if I said this last episode, but where a 4th grader's got cinder blocks? Look at the back. Where have they got 6 cinder blocks?
Sweet, now you can hit the guy in the back. Go for the pink miss.
Hiya! Get lost.
That's what you get for fucking with the Wizard King. Suck on this.
Oh, he's ready.
Douchebag. That guy's ready for your arrows now. You gotta try something else.
Fine. Let's go straight for Dragon's Breath. Hiya! Got him.
Great job, douchebag.
Thank you. Let me steal his stuff. Now let's go save Butters. Why am I always saving Butters? It's like when he was outside. I had to save him then.
Let's do this, douchebag.
I got this, Cartman, don't worry. So he's the posting, so he's not ready for it.
Shields are super weak. Just hit them with your simplest hit over and over to wear them down quick.
Let's do it.
That all you got?
Nope. That's all I've got.
The other elf let his guard down. Now's your chance. Power attack his armor.
Let's do it. Power attack.
Quit it. That's it. Now finish him.
Got it. Counter. And power attack.
Oh.
How are you still alive? Right, I'm just gonna do a normal attack now.
Oh. Ah!
Ah! Oh. Wow. Okay, let's see what's the repercussions of this.
Drow elves, fall back! Fall back, I say! Yeah! Awesome, dude! Take that, you asshole elves! Better luck next time! Na 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 na! We still control the universe! It's God.
What?
What? The Stick of Truth. The elves got it.
That was your one job, Clyde.
That was your one goddamn job, Clyde! To guard the Stick of fucking stick through!
Oh, me and Cartman are on the same page.
Clyde, you are hereby banished from space and time. What?
Yeah, get lost.
You can't
Go
do
home.
that. Yeah, I can. You're banished and lost in time and space. Yeah, go home, Clyde.
No one wants to play with you,
Fight
Clyde.
bravely on the battlefield, douchebag. Yeah, if you can make me a douchebag, like sure can fight. Shut up, Scott. Nobody cares what you think. Anyways, we have a bigger problem now.
Shut up, Scott. No one cares what you
The truth
think.
has been stolen, and we must assemble our entire army in order to get it back.
But our 3 best warriors still haven't reported for duty, my king.
Our newest member can take care of that. Douchebag, I want you to go out into the neighborhood and find my greatest warriors. Token,
Tweek.
Tweek, and Craig. I'm texting
Who's
your
the other
pictures
one?
to your
Craig?
personal inventory device now. But beware.
Where's
Land
Stan and
outside
Kyle?
will
I thought
arrive
they'd be in
elves,
this
monsters,
somewhere.
And 6th graders. Be sure you're well equipped. Now go! And send my warriors here.
I guess it'd be Token and
I just went with
Tweek,
him.
because they're good friends with Cartman. Didn't think it'd be Craig, though. I love Craig. Super Craig! Although, I suppose...
Just be careful now.
Oh, she's in the game now. I suppose having Craig and Tweek together makes sense, you know, saying like in the new episodes they're boyfriend and boyfriend.
This is the king's room. I don't think we're supposed to be in here. What exactly are you looking for?
Everything. Look for secrets. Oh my god. The amount of references. There's a time he went to jail. His record. The Keen. His beef kicked off from when he tried to get slim by eating weight gain. I'm gonna say wheat gain. Oh, his mum's room. Do I even? Oh my god.
This is where the magic happens.
We're just brushing
Last week,
over.
His mom was here with a few men having a whole lot of magic. She was doing hand magic and butt magic.
Let's just not stay in this room. But underwear. I've got 1 out of
This
5.
is where Karma does magic. Smells like the wizard is brewing some potion in here.
Take that.
Wizard stew. Oh,
Take
looks
that.
like they forgot to flush the stew.
And leave the shower on. Let's go. Come on, brothers. We've got more houses to do. Then. There we go. Wasting water and electricity.
We aren't allowed to
Don't
use the streets.
actually do
In
that.
such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt. But those are holy items from the
Pen game.
Legend has it that he who can collect enough will be rewarded.
Okay. Doctor Diminutive. I did not actually think he'd be in this game. I love Doctor Diminutive and Professor Chaos.
Behold, the residence of Butters the Merciful.
Butters really is a very sweet boy. I hope you'll treat him as you would a
This
normal
must be.
child.
You Facebooked me right away if Butters does something he should be grounded for.
I sure will do, sir. Don't you worry. If he becomes Professor Chaos, I will text you immediately. Now I'm just going to go ransack your house, okay? Nice.
Welcome to my room.
Thank you.
Those are my minions. They help me punish society.
Wait, there's actually a Chaos Layer in this game. Chimpoko Monkey. Is that one there? Oh no, I didn't mean to shoot that. But hey. No. Let's have a look at your references. Oh my god, Professor Chaos. I love Professor Chaos. That's from when... Did they become superheroes in one episode? Yeah, because in that episode where they became superheroes, you heard Kenny's voice for the first time. It's really deep. I would recommend watching the Coon and Friends episode. Wait, isn't that what the second game's about as well? The Fractured But Whole, isn't that about them being Coon and Friends versus... Oh, what's the other one called? Is it Freedom Pals? I think so. Can I befriend you?
The Wizard King says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be in
Oh,
the
I can get this now.
Paladins seek justice for all races.
I'll take that. I'll take that Chimpoko Mound. And let's go. Timmer! Timmer? Timmer! We've only got one of the flags, so we can't really go anywhere. Oh no. Why? I may cut this fight out, guys, if no it really happens.
Yeah, you moved to the wrong realm.
Nice hair, douchebag.
Kiss my ass,
Leave my hair alone. My hair's gorgeous.
asshole!
You're just jealous you don't have this hair.
Shit.
Nope. Nope. Not happening.
This looks like a job for Paladin Butters.
What are you on about? Healing touch.
There you go, Al.
Tap tap.
I better wait a turn before I do any more healing.
Okay. Hammer of Storms. Let's try that.
Feel my righteous fury!
I didn't do that well. That wasn't all I have. Oh no, I've got bleeding.
Hey look, you're bleeding!
I know, I can see that. Nope. Let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, I can look at everyone. None. Weak to frost, weak to fire.
It looks bad. Here, take some of this magic cure potion.
Okay. I'd like that. I would like that cure potion, which is water. Thank you.
Make sure you always carry a few potions. Just don't get grounded for raiding the apothecary's
I don't like what that one's doing in the robe. Let's get rid of him. He's weak to fire, isn't he? Hacha!
Lame.
Yep. Goodbye.
Feel my wrath.
Hey,
No.
I got you.
You feel mine. You feel my wrath. Like that. Oh, blocked them all. I bet he didn't like that. How do you like powerful arrow? And counter. We're doing okay, guys. We're doing okay for this battle. I didn't think we would. There we go. And let me know down in the comments how long you think those guys were stood in that snowman. And how many times you think they've jumped out, not realising it wasn't us. Because I think it's been at least 2. Nope. Go away. Go on, Butters, finish him off. Come on. There we go.
That serves him right.
Does serve him right, doesn't it, Butters? Now let's just take all your stuff. Let's go. Dum 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 dum. Is this Craig's house? Wait, what? Little girl, I wouldn't go in your house for a
I'm
while.
actually faster at Facebook messaging than I am at speaking. Here, this will just go a lot faster.
There is a
if
lot
I
of
friend
walking.
you.
Kelly, I don't think I'll be coming around your house soon. Oh, is this Mosquito's house? Look there, it's Mosquito's costume in the garage. What's this kid?
You do? Hey, that means you don't know anything about me, huh?
P, why are you sat in the roof of your garage? Or garage, not garage. Let's just keep them. Is this his house? Well, there's no in the garage, so I'm guessing this must be his.
You looking for Craig? Well, he can't play. He's in detention.
Oh.
Something about flipping off the principal.
Craig,
Get to the other guys first.
fine. I'll cut this out, guys, because I think it's a long walk to Token's house.
Well, hey, Officer Butt Baby.
That's Butt Brady. Wait.
This here is the marketplace. This is where heroes can come for adventuring gear, nose jobs, and abortions.
Shouldn't you be in school?
Okay, guys, we're back. We're nearly at Token's house. If you just, yep, here we go. We're at Token's house, which is Dark Meadows. Thought there was something in there. Okay, let's go in. What?
If you try again, I will pepper spray you back to the Stone Age.
He just pepper sprayed a 4th grader. No wonder I have bad eyesight if that happens. 8 new friends. What on earth? F you, new kid. Things were fine until you showed up. I'll get you back for this, I swear. Like if you think I'm the fairest maid in all the land. Seriously, Princess Kenny, you don't have to keep posting this. Clyde is banished from space and time, you guys. Nobody sit with him at lunch. I don't care what kind of fruit snacks he's sharing. There, this is ways of talking anyway. I feel like you and I have a real connection. Aww. Haha, dude, someone just posted a video of you getting pepper sprayed. Hold on, I gotta watch that again. Haha, it's even better when you know what's coming. That's awful. Oh, Jimbo's gun carries gas masks. Right, let's head to Jimbo's guns. Which I think is this way? La la la. Running
Some kid
past.
gave me the worst pig belly over there one time.
Shut up, Butters. Oh, City Sushi shut down.
Willie, right here.
Oh wait, we're going past City Walk. I love that guy. Welcome to Shitty Walk. Take you out of place. Right, we're at Jimbo's. Let's go in.
Well, hello there, Jimbo and Ned.
Well, what brings you here?
It's
today?
Ned.
Business or pleasure? Or vengeance?
You remind me of the
Ned.
guy I served with. You've come to the right place.
I like Ned.
Seen you
He
before.
talks
You must
amazingly.
be the new kid that moved to town.
Yes.
And you're into hunting, huh?
I
Well,
am.
you've come to the right place. South Park is chock full of things to shoot that would delight any taxidermist, survivalist, or weekend animal death enthusiast. Ain't much I can say.
Let's buy. Yep. I'll buy a gas mask. Have you got any weapons? You have, but no, I can actually use yet. Okay, bye guys. Actually, let's put it on in here. Oh, no, that's not what I meant to do. Here we go. Gas mask. Let's get rid of all these. Wait, what? Find the item you want to dye. If option dye is available, press Y. Wait, can I dye the gas mask? No. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's head back. Now, I can't remember which... Is Jimbo Stan or... Oh, let's take Timmy. Timmy! Yep. We'll take Timmy's fast travel and get to Toga's house even faster than running there. Oh no, not
Come on, give
else.
me a reason.
Nope, 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 nope. Go away.
I won't.
Come on, try it.
What the fuck? Oh no!
Oh my gosh, right, okay. So we're actually
Ah,
fighting
shit, when
him
are we
now.
gonna catch a break?
Leaves your target stunned. Right, let's try this.
Oh! Ow!
There we go. So he's stunned. Spin L, then press A when you see the
By the
flash.
hammer of Butters.
Oh wow, that's strong.
Who's seeing if it works?
It does work. I like it. Can I use... No, I ain't got enough PP. There we go. Your power attack. I think he's still stunned. No, he's not.
Oh!
Come on, buddies, you finish him
Hey,
off.
that guy.
Move!
There we go. Didn't even attack us once. Just too good. Right, let's go. Let's first of all grab this bag.
You better keep walking.
And then we'll go speak to Token. Anything of worthy in here? Yep, let's grab that. Alright, let's have a look around. Ooh, I want that, I want that. It's another Chimpokemon. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Velociraptor.
Yeah?
Hi, Token.
Can I help you?
Yeah, just take this letter and come to Cooper Keep.
What's this? Oh, the elves took the stick again? Hang
Yep.
on a second.
I know, I can't believe it. Clyde messed up.
Thank you for that message, traveler. I shall make haste to Koopa Keep. Mom!
Is he wearing a Nike headband upside down? Right, let's go get Tweek. Right, we're just gonna run.
What
I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight. Thank you. Run to Tweek. Oh, the cinema. Oh, is that another Chim Pokemon? It worked. Let's move forward a bit. There we go. There we go. We got Fat Dactyl. Chim Pokemon.
My God, will you be silent?
Wall Street executive.
I didn't even say oh.
Everything going for you. Only problem is, he's about to become a carrot. A carrot is 24 karat diamond. That's right.
Rob Schneider. Oh my God, that's the son of the devil in it? Isn't that Damien?
Was an animal. Then he was a woman.
Oh, is this his stapler advert?
Here is a staple.
Yeah.
I am Damien, the Antichrist, the son of Satan, and I have never witnessed a thing as hideous and vile as the one you mortals call Rob Schneider.
Oh wow. Okay, I forgot to take the gas mask. Oh, let's equip that. Can I modify it? I ain't got it to modify with. Okay. Let's take the gas mask off and put our maid headband back on. And let's switch out for some 3D glasses. That looks better. We've got some 3D ones now. Okay. Let's have a look through. Oh, I can upgrade abilities. Yeah, upgrade Dragon's Breath. Yeah, increase maximum health. And let's go to collectibles. Oh, there we go. So we've got 5 Chim Pokemons out of a possible 30. Nice. Yeah, we've got some clothes. Right, let's go.
Rob Schneider is
A stapler.
This movie's really sweet. Too bad you guys can't see it.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
Over here.
Please tell me that's not Al Gore.
Don't worry, I'm not here to hurt you. It's me, Al Gore. You know, Al Gore. I'm super important.
Does he want me to help with
All right,
Man
look,
Bear Pig,
I've
like in the
detected some
episodes?
Very strange activity in this area. I believe we are dealing with
Man Bear Pig. Yep.
Yes, the Man Bear Pig. I know you're scared.
Sorry,
but I
guys,
need
I'm a
help.
massive
Take
South
these
Park
and
nerd.
place them in a location specified on the Man Bear map. Pig. And now I'm going to make you my friend on Facebook. This is very prestigious.
I'm super
You have my
serial.
email now, but don't give it out to anybody. I'm super serial. Hurry! We must know if Man Bear Pig is here or not.
Oh, I love Al Gore. He's just so stupid. I love him. Right, here we go. We're at Tweek's Coffee. Gross out inflicts damage over time and interferes with healing. Ooh.
Welcome to Tweek Coffee. Coffee made with ingredients supplied by local organic suppliers. It's local coffee, brewed locally.
Tweek? Tweek! Have you picked up the fresh local ingredients?
Not yet, Dad. I'm still trying to do all my chores.
Well, hurry up, son. The family business is relying on you.
Let's go see. Let's grab this. Let's go see Tweek. New message from Al Gore. Hello, my young friend. This is Al Gore. That's me in the big profile picture. I'm talking to you now. Okay, right. Hey, Tweek.
This. Now?
Yes.
Can I see now?
Yes.
No, wait a minute. It's way too much to do. How am I supposed to do all this? Wait,
You can do it, Tweek.
Could you go get the 4 o'clock delivery for me? If you do, I can finish here and then I'll still have time to play. Please, would you? It's at Kenny's house, like always. You give them this, they'll give you the delivery. How am I supposed to do all of this? There's no way, man.
Right, we're going to leave that for another episode, guys. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, hit the dislike button and let me know why in the comments. If you're new around here, subscribe. And until next time, I've been Douchebag in the town of South Park. And I'll see you guys later.